If you watched my previous video on AutoUSD, then you're in a profit right now. And if not, then I'll tell you what to do next. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader Nexo. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AutoUSD, Australian dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you're a complete beginner, new trader, then before risking your hard-earned money, I have a request that please watch these videos. I have uploaded 32 videos on a separate playlist by the name Forex and Stock Learning Course for Beginners, so that you do not lose your hard-earned money before understanding the market. If you go through the videos, then you'll get a basic idea about the functioning of the market, how the chart work, what are the candlestick patterns, important candlestick patterns, indicators, support and resistance, okay, demand and supply zones. Okay, so before risking your hard-earned money, please have some knowledge. That's my request. And if you want to learn from me personally, then you can visit my website avilashhajarika.com/web workshop. You'll get all the required information, including my contact details. Now let's jump to the chart. So this is the chart of AUD USD, and we can easily see that market is in a range. There is no doubt about this market, and market is in a range. And we can see that whenever market is coming down to this particular support level, it is bouncing back. Market is not going for big moves, okay, but still you are in a position to make some quick profit, and that's why I recommended you to go for a buy at this particular level. And if you are in a profit right now, then please enjoy the profit. You do not need to do anything, okay, until and unless market reaches this particular level 7776. You do not need to do anything. Enjoy the profit. And if you are looking for fresh opportunity, then you have got two options here. Okay, first and foremost option is, already I have told you, okay, this level. Market has got extreme support at this level, because see, whenever market is coming down to this particular level, okay, sorry, 0 0.7700, okay, whenever market is coming down to this particular level, it is getting support. Market has got extreme support at this level. You can see examples here. So whenever market is coming down to this particular level, market is getting support and it is bouncing back. So this is the first trading opportunity. Okay, this is the first trading opportunity. 0.7700. This level is extremely important. So if you have missed the first opportunity, then do not need to worry. You need to wait for a second opportunity. Confused? Let me tell you. Okay, hopefully you are clear about this support level. So this is the best trading opportunity to grab AUD USD. Okay, so the second trading opportunity is, let me show you. For this, we need to go to the weekly chart. And if you are a subscriber, then you know it pretty well that I'm a big fan of multi-time frame analysis, and I always consult the weekly time frame before going for any order, because uh, I need to know what the big boys are doing, what the big players are thinking, and they mainly trade in the higher time frame. So in this weekly time frame, we can easily see that there is a resistance at this level. Okay, and this level resistance is here. 0.7825. And the most important thing about this particular resistance is that market is trying to cross this level since 2021. Okay, but market is unable to cross this level, which means that this resistance is extremely crucial for the market. Market is unable to cross this level 0.7825 level since first week of Jan. It's been more than 5 months. Okay, it's been more than 5 months, or around 5 months. Sorry, around 5 months. Market is still unable to cross this level. Therefore, this is your second. This is your second best trading opportunity to short the market. Okay, now let's switch to a 4 hours time frame. So right now market is trading here, okay, and this is our support level. This is our support level. So if we get market around this support level, we will be going for buy order. There's no doubt about it. Okay, but do remember, market should bounce. Market should bounce. Then only we will be going for buy order. On the other hand, if you find market around this range, okay, around 0.7825 level or around this range, 7820 level, okay, then there is a possibility that market will bounce, because see, I have already shown you in the weekly chart, market is struggling to cross this level for around 5 months. Market is unable to cross this level. So whenever market will be going or reaching this level, okay, just observe the price, just try to understand the market psychology, just try to read the chart. Okay, if you see that price is struggling near this resistance, okay, price is struggling near this resistance, market is unable to cross the resistance, you are seeing, or if you get a shooting star kind of a pattern like this, or price rejection from above like this, or a red candle like this, once you get the confirmation that yes, price is struggling, it is about to reverse, then you can short the market at this level, 0.7825 or 0.7820 level, okay, at this high. This is your resistance zone from the weekly chart. Okay, so this level is extremely crucial, and this is your support level that I have already mentioned. Okay, so you do not need to trade on AUD USD in the middle. Okay, this is a no trading zone. uh, you do not need to trade in the middle. Okay, your risk to reward ratio does not match, so just wait for the perfect opportunity. Okay, wait for the market to come down to this level or reach this level, then only go for the order. Hopefully you've understood. If you've liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.